True we love ya. Pagans can push we over. We born as a buffalo soldier, yeah. True we love ya, yeah.
Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. I am your host, Amelia, and today I am here with an awesome father as well as an artist by the name of Raspeck. We're going for a quick break, and when we get back, you get more from the man himself.
Get a life, it tough, tough. Get a life, it hard, Get a life, it rough, rough. Get a life, it hard, Get a life, it tough. Inna the ghetto where me born and grow.
So, Raspeck, once more, welcome to the Portmore Talent Show, and how are you today?
I'm great with God always, Give
Cool.
thanks and praise.
Awesome. Glad to hear. So, just a few quick questions so we can hear more about you and about the things that you do. Okay? Where were you born and where did you grow up?
Alright, started like this. I born 1976,
Yeah?
20th of August.
Yeah?
Yeah, so August I come here, I go be 46.
Yeah?
It might look young, but I'm a big man,
Right. That's
Spanish town, born and grow.
Yeah.
Jobs Lane, Reservoir Lane, wonderful lane named Reservoir Lane,
Reservoir Lane.
Yeah.
Okay. And where did you attend school?
Me go Crescent All Age. Me never get to take common entrance through my mother, me go with my father.
Oh.
Yeah, me never go with my mother, just like how my son go with me now.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I open my eyes, my father, I see me not see my mother. Yeah, so I grow with him till certain age. Me never have a birth paper. Back in those times, you'd have to have birth paper for the common entrance exam.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so as when I say, if I check my age, yeah, you know. So when I'm 14, I have to take common entrance.
And I really like the fact that you said even though in your time you didn't have some of the things that you have now, you still ensure that your son have it.
Yeah, so eventually I go art after that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I go learn like welding, because right now he's a professional welder.
Oh.
Yeah, I build grill for a living at that St. St. school. At that
Okay.
take care of music and those things.
Yeah.
Build grill, all those things. You see,
So you're not also an artist, but also an entrepreneur.
yeah,
Right? And I'm sure that's where your son got his spirit from.
just like that.
Awesome. So what event happened that show you that you had this talent?
Me born with music, me. Yeah, cause my auntie them always tell me, say me I sing when I'm small.
Yeah.
But this is life again. Life come with only a sustain and negativity and balance.
Yeah.
Yeah, for example, speaking, my father wasn't as bright as me now. Trust me, I can
True.
tell her that. If you do what I do for my son.
Yeah.
So if my father was bright as me now, I would have 10 times better off now. Yeah, so me taking me must take in differently without my father teach me, or my father teach me.
Mm-hmm.
So every time something go wrong or something go wrong, I can tell my son, say, my father they tell me this. And everything I can tell my son, I from my father and from my mother. I can't tell say my mother tell me say this blue, this white, or this pink.
Sure.
And it's as me there, so.
Yeah.
You get me? I say, so I give him that drive that my father give me. So I could have sing long time from small, but I never get to go a stage show like how I can go a stage show, interviews and all these things.
Mm-hmm.
You get me? I say, my brother, an artist named Diversity, my old name Raspeck, I'm little cousin, my old name Chuck Friend, my cousin, my old name.
Yeah.
And one of them I teach in a whole for many ways. That's true, I really like talk things. Cause if me get help, them supposed to help me because I help all of them.
True.
Before my son even half born. So I just tell them my age. So
True.
a long time in a music, but never get that drive. Me usually help me look, alright, you have a youth named IQ, big him up, say I'm a cousin.
Yeah.
No normal. I'm a cousin that engineer, my photography, everything. I make we rhythm them. But sometimes a person will listen, you have to step aside, make him doing things. So when he drop in and hold him, Yeah, you work with everyone. I myself too, when I grew up with my father, and he said, don't do that, Greg. I feel like I'm a big man, I'm going to drop in and hold.
Sure, you learn from
Yes,
like
I
a
just,
mistake.
yes, I just, so my life set. Not really mistakes still, but yeah, you have to learn. I don't make mistakes. Things have to happen for your living.
Sure. Happy happen
Yeah,
for things
there's no
turn out.
mistake in life. Things just happen.
Okay.
It's either you know and you do it or you don't know and the next person do it, but no mistake no make in life. A person always know.
Everything happen for a reason.
Yeah, either you know and me don't know, or me know and you don't know, but somebody always know, so there's no mistake.
True. So you said that you have always been singing. You know that you always possess this talent, but you never really showcase it as how you try to do it now.
Since my son born, 2006, me really get back that drive there. Just like what you say, me usually sing. Yeah,
Yeah.
me I was just say, Karen, put the phone on my bed. And I say, all right, my son, listen this. Because I have a next cousin just like him. I'm a brother, but no matter how far, but I'm a brother. Because most of you have people and him close are their own brother. Yeah,
True.
so him I'm
So
a
true.
brother. So him can tell a lot of things. You get me I say? Yeah, I just saw you go. So if eventually him come develop that spirit now when we never did get the cars for do.
Understand. And you said apart from the singing, you make the grills and so
Yeah,
forth.
that's what I do for a living, the
Entrepreneur.
little grill, yeah.
Yeah.
Him now I boss now for Jova's record, Sing Jalayan.
Yeah.
My producer, my entrepreneur, as I can spam my head, Sing Jalayan.
Sing
Yeah, not
Jalayan.
Raspeck, so you must know say Raspeck not have nothing.
Raspeck has a wonderful son. The best gift from God, your son.
Yes, man, I agree. So I'm not tell everybody
Exactly.
say, listen to me. I don't care which artist want to vex now or vex when I hear this or vex when you know, come I this everything. I agree to sing and I burn a lot. Never
True.
been in our book. Not even talk about the dead. Bob Marley them gone. Him, I
Mm-hmm.
greatest look youth right now in front of my tree I grew up. And if you feel like a joke, I go tell you this. Try put on a stage show with young youth from 15 and down.
Yeah.
Yes. So when I get a talent show then, for example, I'm 46. I don't really go on stage again and I name do certain collab. And the band
Yeah.
of collab with him. Him sing single by himself, I sing single and we do collab. For some very serious collab song. But just after saying this, for saying that,
Mm-hmm.
put on a show, anybody in the world when you not hear this. With from 15 go down. I never say 50 or 16. August I'm gonna be 16 then. 16
Yeah.
and go down, not 16 and over. And when you don't come talk to me.
Pro daddy. Just like that. And we all know that he's very talented, and most of his drive I can see it in you, so he get it definitely from his daddy.
You ever hear a song to my name book? Pressure on the book. I
Yes.
start a bounty singing. You know. So when me get big, me now come town, no cook. My father send me a school and for make food in go. So me have to pressure my books. You see my books, they are my greatest. So you must know me a talk about.
Big up yourself, daddy.
Blessed man.
So while in the music industry, even though you haven't been pursuing the swinging for a long time, but can you tell me one or two things that you have learned and you'd like to share?
You never too old to learn, but to tell you honest the truth, you know, so me not see nobody I learn me, me just learn off of my own. You know, me not see nobody not teach me anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, me learn off of my own. Things when me say happen. Because people not really show positive people things not this time. People want people not positive for use. Yeah, they want to believe it this I know. So a person have to really show you a good thing. You have to, that person have to really respect you and love you
Yeah.
to show you a good thing. You have to know a good thing for yourself. Because
Sure.
the person will take a good thing and tell you. So, if you tell the honest truth, when we tell a lie, yeah, but me not tell my son a lie. As me dare upon him, me tell anybody lie.
Yeah.
But me not lie to my son.
That's good. That's good, daddy.
Me not say, I am a liar, you know.
Not, and I will never call you a liar. But I understand you how you look society.
Yeah,
You
just
said
if
that
it,
you sit and you
yeah,
learn.
just check my
And,
levels.
Mhm.
Yeah, I don't care about people. I'm a son, I care about people. Sometimes I even want to say it right now. So,
Sorry.
big up all who in the audience. I see it. Enough love.
Of love. So, do you plan on promoting any song or getting any feature in your son coming up?
You know, say, I hope I some have a promote. Because he might promote better tomorrow.
Yeah.
Me I promote one song and give it to my lady. And me and him have a collab we have to name True Love Chat. We have all a song we can promote, you know, but we just have certain song where people, you know, we have all different type of song, but we not have gun song and them song.
Yeah.
If we song clean and it might very clean. When you test it clean,
Yeah.
yeah, clean. And
Cool.
and some word where make people fret, you know.
And you said that you're promoting Give It to Me Lady.
Yeah.
All
And
right.
True Love Jah.
True Love
We have
John.
a collab with me and my son, and he
Mhm.
might promote Better Tomorrow. Him
Better
alone,
Tomorrow.
yeah.
Okay, awesome. So, Raspeck, how far do you see yourself in the music industry or carrying your career?
I cover a globe already, you know. And my son now I can take it to the 25th century, you know. So as well, make him know the thing, so when he gets like 20, 25, I'm at 16 now.
Yeah.
Yeah, some more about other artists, I might be being a man, born to me, no know, who used to tell me that I can say so because so it's about to come
True.
to produce those song or record for them rhythm or deal because Jehovah's records have to go by word, you know. Anything where Jah say I saw you go, you can't touch that thing. And I like it's a fake. It's not a fluke.
Original.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. And your son has a backbone, which is you, right?
Just like that.
I feel go far. No joke about that. So we have come to the end of the interview segment with Raspeck. We're going for a quick break, and when we get back, you will get a live performance from Raspeck regarding True Will Love Ja and Give It to Me Lady. Stay tuned.
True we love ya. Pagans can push we over. We born as a buffalo soldier, yeah. True we love ya. She see me and say that she love me, and I love she a give it to me. She see me and say that she love me, and I love she a give it to me. Give it to me, lady, and I will give it to you. Give me your love, and I will give you mine too. Give it to me, lady, and I will give it to you. Give me your heartbeat, and I will give you mine too. She give it to me, and her dream come true. She was great, and now she's blue. Of love, and that is true. For me and not for you. Ooh, ooh, me are the king. She is my queen. I still step on the scene. Me no know a gun, but she a my machine. Give it to me, lady, and I will give it to you. Give me your heartbeat, and I will give you mine too. Give it to me, lady, and I will give it to you. Give me your love, and I will give you mine too. She give it to me morning, noon, and night. In her life, she hold me tight. She said, Respect me, not let you go. Me love your style, me love your flow. Oh, me love your locks, oh, it a grow. In her me ear, she start to play. Pon me bike, she want to stay. She said, Respect only you alone, let me feel so good. Give it to me, lady, and I will give it to you. Give me your love, and I will give you mine too. Give it to me, lady, and I will give it to you. Give me your heartbeat, and I will give you mine too. She give it to me, and her dream come true. She was great, and now she's blue. Of love, and that is true. For me and not for you. Ooh, ooh, and me are the king. She is my queen. I still step on the scene. Me no know a gun, but she a my machine. Give it to me, lady, and I will give it to you. Give me your love, and I will give you mine too. Love ja, pagans can't push we over. It's a single line and Raspeck, born as a buffalo soldier, so they can't push you over. You ready, no? Single line, ready?
Yeah.
All right. True we love ja. Pagans can't push we over. We born as a buffalo soldier, yeah. True we love ja, yeah. Listen, true we love ja. Pagans can't push we over. Bob Marley say buffalo soldier, yeah. Dream no ja. Listen, hey. Them can't push we over no time. Them can't push we over no time. So we no do what them say fi do. What them say fi do. That we no do, so them want we get slew. When them talk, them we no hear. They say beware. Them we no fear. When them talk, them we no hear. They say beware. If them a bad dog, God is here. So we love Jah a day. True we love Jah a night every time. So them can't push we over no time. So them can't push we over. Sing Jalan already?
True we love Jah. Pagan can't push me over.
No time.
Born as a buffalo soldier. Yeah. True me love Jah. Yeah.
Listen up.
True we love Jah. Pagan can't push me over. Bob Marley say buffalo soldier, yeah. You me love Jah, alright? Them can't push me over no time. Them can't push me over no time. Me going out and me going in. A Jah me bring in, give me vibes, good song me a sing. Each and every day me pray. To Jah me say, how me a sleep, me pray to Jah. Same way to me love Jah a day. To me love Jah a night every time. To we love Jah. Pagans can't push we over. We born as a buffalo soldier, yeah. True we love Jah, yeah.
Listen, true we love Jah. Pagans can't push we over. We born as a buffalo soldier, yeah. True we love Jah, yeah. True we love Jah. Pagans can't push we over. We born as a buffalo soldier, yeah. True we love